Hello, welcome to PRIBIZCO News. My name is Afif, reporter of the week. PRIBIZCO News will be published on every week. We will be sharing on some financial information and major forex currencies. Now let us start with the news of the week. Britain Labour Party said it would cut rail season's ticket and peak time fares by a third, saving the average commuter more than £1,000 a year, under its plan to return rail services to public ownership if it wins an election this month. It said the move, which will apply to regulated fares that make up almost half of all tickets sold from January, would give relief to millions of rail commuters from years of price rises. Labour has already proposed a host of crowd-pleasing plans, from help to parents with young children to free university education and more money for elderly care, to be paid for by more taxes on high earners and companies. Second news of the week. USD JPY looks for firm direction around 109.5. Focus on political headlines, month-start data. USD JPY fails to extend, though it starts gap up as traders await more close to extend the previous month's run up. The pair takes the round to 109.55 by the press time of early Monday morning in Asia. The pair recently benefited from the US dollar broad strength amid rising calls of a trade deal between the United States and China. However, the recent issue of the Hong Kong Human Rights Act seems to trouble the investor, as China has shown its intention to retaliate, not targeting the phase 1 but has refrained from any measures. To the third news of the week. PM Johnson Conservatives see lead narrow to 15 points. British Prime Minister Boris Johnson Conservatives Party saw its lead over the opposition Labour Party narrow over the past week, but it remains wide at 15 points. The Observer newspaper said, citing a poll by opinion, support for the Conservatives stood at 46%, down 1 point, while Labour rose by 3 points to 31%, the Observer said. Opinion polled 2018,000 people between November 27 and November 29, the day of an attack by a man who killed 2 people before being shot dead by police on London Bridge. Now, let us move on to the analysis view of major forex currencies. USD CHF may rise 13 to 23 pips. As per pivot shown, our preference for long positions above 0.99 with targets at 1.00 in extension. Alternative scenario below 0.99, look for further downside with 0.998 as a target. By comments, a support base at 0.99 has formed and has allowed for a temporary stabilization. USD JPY may rise 14 to 34 pips as per pivot table shown. Our preference, long position above 109.4 with targets at 109.8 in extension. Alternative scenario below 109.4, look for further downside with 109.3 as targets. The RSI calls for a new upleg. GBP USD. GBP USD shows a short position below 1.293 with targets at 1.290 in extension. Alternative scenario above 1.293, look for further upside with 1.295 as targets. As per our comment, a break below 1.29 would trigger a drop towards 1.288. Moving forward to the financial information of the week. Monday, AUD building approvals, company operating profit, China, Kaizen manufacturing PMI, Euro, Spanish manufacturing PMI, GBP, final manufacturing PMI, Euro, ECB President Lagarde speaks. Tuesday, AUD, current account, cash rate, RBA rate statement. Wednesday, China, Kaizen Services PMI, GBP, Final Services PMI, USD, ADP Non-Farm Employment Change, CAD, BOC, Rate Statement Overnight Rate. Thursday, NZD, RBNZ, Government Speaks, AUD, Retail Sales, Trade Balance, OPEC Meetings, CAD, Employment Change, Unemployment Rate, USD, Average Hourly Earning, Non-Farm Employment Change, Friday, OPEC JMMC Meeting, CAD, Employment Change, Unemployment Rate, USD, Average Hourly Earning, Non-Farm Employment Change. Frankly speaking, I don't see markets, I see risk, I see money, I see reward. Don't forget to join me again with our PRIBIZCO news, and do follow us on Facebook page and Instagram. My name is Afif, Reporter of the Week.